video is how to create a sales comps report within the REI Wise investment analysis. To start, open up a property and go to the Proposals tab. You have the Sales Comps option on the left-hand side of the page about halfway down. Open up the Sales Comps pop-up window by clicking on the build-out box next to Sales Comps. You will have a 4-tabbed window. The first tab is Options, then Selecting Your Comps, Subject Photo and Notes, and Adjusted Analysis. The Options tab allows you to select how you want to display your comps. You have two options: a single comp report or a partition comp report. The single comp report allows you to include all statuses of your comparables. That includes solds, on markets, and in escrow. If you select partition comps, each status will be partitioned and you'll have an individual report for each status. You further have 3 options for the reporting of the individual comps. You can include individual comp reports, you can include charts that will summarize the financial indicators, and you also have the option to include a map. Please note you have a maximum of 10 locations on a single map. Simply make your selections by checkmarking each box you'd like to include as an option on your comps report. We move on to the second tab, which is where you select the individual comparables. The second tab reveals 2 windows. The top window is all the data within your comps manager. The window down below is the comps that are within your individual analysis or proposal. By default, you will have all of your properties in the comps manager and none in the proposal. To move comparables from the comps manager to the proposal, all we are going to do is select each individual comp and add it to the proposal down below. You may sort by clicking on any of the column titles in the comps manager window. Here we are going to sort by price. In this property, we have sorted by price and we are selecting shopping centers in San Diego. So we have 5 comparables. If we want to add each one individually, we simply highlight each individual comp and click Add Comps. If we want to add multiple properties, we can go ahead and hold down Control, click on each property, and click on Add Comps. All 5 will then be moved from the Comps Manager to the proposal window down below. Note your comps will appear in your reports in the same order as they appear in the report window in the build-out box. Once you have selected all of your comparables, you can move on to the next tab, which is Subject Photo and Notes. The Subject Photo and Notes tab allows you to enter in a subject photo, and you do so by browsing for the JPEG and uploading just like any other photo within REI Wise, and you may enter in text into the Notes field. You can enter in any notes you see fit. The 4th tab is for Adjusted Analysis. This tab is strictly for the BOV report. Please view the BOV training video on how to use the adjusted analysis for sales comps. Once you're done with the 4 tabs, simply click on Save to confirm that all your comparables data has been saved. Click OK and then exit the comparables build-out box. To view your sales comps report, make sure you have the sales comps box checked and click Preview and Save. Your sales comp report will open after you click Preview and Save, and you will see the report with the options you have selected. We have selected to include the comparables charts, the summaries of individual properties, and the mapping feature. Taking a look at the financial indicators charts, this is a retail property, so we only have cap rate and price per square foot. Please note on a multifamily property, you will also have the GRM and the price per unit. All of your comps will create the charts automatically, including each individual comparison and an average for the overall comparables. Please note on the mapping that you only have up to 10 properties on an individual page, the subject property, and 5 comparables. This concludes how to create a sales comp report.